Hello and welcome to Make It Festive with Walmart. My name is Teneisha and today we're going to upcycle some soda cans to make this bell wreath. The supplies we're going to need for this project are 3 empty cans. We're going to use a few different colors of treasure gold, starting with copper, rose gold, and gold. You'll need Waverly chalk in cashew and crimson. You'll also need FolkArt multi-surface satin in licorice, 3 small crafting beads, a variety of paintbrushes, and twine. To start crafting, we're going to cut our can. So create a slice in your can about halfway down. You can start the cut with a craft blade and finish off with scissors. You'll want to save the bottom half of your can to make the clapper inside of the bell. But for now, you can put that to the side. You can dull your sharp edges with sandpaper or by folding it in with pliers. Now we're going to base coat our can in chalk paint. This does a couple things. One, it gives it a nice texture for the metallic paint to grab onto. It also covers really, really well. And we're going to coat the entire can, including the inside. Our next step is to add treasure gold. We're going to start with the gold color. And give it a nice coat all over. Don't worry about keeping your can perfect. The dents and creases actually go well with this project. So feel free to beat it up a little bit. To add to the weathered look, I'm going to use a stencil brush in darker and different metallic colors. Now I'm going to use my FolkArt multi-surface in licorice. And I'm using my stencil brush, and I'm going to dab, dab, dab it, and then brush it off on this napkin to offload it. And once I just have a little bit on my brush, I'm going to dab, dab, dab it on my can to distress it and make it look a little more weather worn. Now that we've finished our bell, we want to make the clapper. We're going to cut out a small strip from our bottom of our can. Using your craft knife again, we're going to cut a small hole so that we can hang our clapper inside the bell. To attach our clapper, we're going to use a small piece of twine, which I'm going to separate into one thin piece. Using this thin piece, we will thread it through the hole that we made. And we're going to hot glue the end of this to the inside of our tab on the inside of our can. And now we have a clapper inside of our bell. To finish up, we're going to use our twine and our bead to string up our bell. I'm going to put one end of my twine through the hole of the tab so that it hangs, and we're going to string the bead on both pieces of twine. There are a lot of ways that you can display these bells. Using Waverly Inspirations chalk in crimson, I base coated this old frame to create this wreath. For more ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.